Let me show you the 4 levels of development. And I'm happy that every one of you've passed the first level, which is the 0 level. 0 level, there are people, they didn't go to school, they are not educated, they don't have handwork. There are so many of them, they are still on this. Those people, they don't have a source of income, on their own. So they still depend on other people. They rely on people. True or false? Those are 0. But you have moved from that level. You didn't go to school. Some of you didn't go to school, but you have what? You are educated. You have what? You have handwork. And here, the things that people that went to school are getting, you are even getting it here. Do you understand? Free of charge. So now you can earn what? You can earn salary and you can earn commission. So that's number 1 level. So you need to move from 0 level to what? To number 1 level. Some people are still on 0 level. They are complaining. My father did this, my mother did this. They don't want to live where they are. In fact, they don't even want to work. They are there. But you have left that place and moved to number 1. You're skillful. You're talented. You're gifted. And you're earning money. And for you to earn money on that level, there are things that you need to do. You need to look well. True or false? So more on that level is on your packaging. A lot has to do with your looks, your packaging, the way you present yourself, how detailed you are about your work. Your work has to look fine so that you'll be able to attract more customers to you. Do you understand? Are you getting what I'm saying? Like in Bruno's place, for example, I was talking to him. I said, you are here. And me is here, you are here. Who is the other Baba? Life is here. Do you understand? You are Baba, you are here, right? Same place. Somebody is earning big money. Another person is earning medium money. Another person is earning what? Small money. Have you sit down to actually check why is it not the same opportunity? Is it not the same platform? And it doesn't matter whether you are the first person to be here. Does it matter? You and life, who got here before? Life got here. But you earn more than life. This is a family. This is not to bring anybody down or not to exalt anybody. I just want people to learn. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, what is Ami doing that is making Ami to earn more money? What is he doing that is making him to earn more? What is this person doing? Do you understand? You've moved from where you were before to where you are now, but you can still grow. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you find out, a lot has to do with the looks, a lot has to do with detailing, a lot has to do with the perfection when it comes to your work. True or false? If you don't want to package yourself, if you don't want to look good, if you don't want your work to be fine, what happened? You will take what you have and take it home. Don't blame anybody. Don't carry a knife to go and kill Ami because he earns money more than you. Because you can actually do what Ami is doing and earn what Ami is getting. True or false? Do you understand? This is a place where you have opportunity to grow. And if you want to grow, you can stay where you are. Ami can stay here in another 2-3 years and he will earn more than 3 times what he's earning now. True or false? Because I have found out I'm going to be 50. I have moved around. Because everybody here now, you are gifted, you are talented. Just like he is gifted, and me is gifted, you are gifted. The same level. True or false? Everybody is gifted. Everybody is gifted. The only difference is in the packaging, is in your detailing. Do you understand? Is in the number of people that you know. People that you know will determine how much you have in your pocket. If I know only 2 people, I will have 2 people money in my pocket. If I know 1,000 people, what happens? I have 1,000 people money in my what? In my pocket. The difference, one of the difference between me and you guys is what? Because what? He knows a lot of people. True or false? True or false? True. So if you want to be like me. No people. It's just a simple fact. That's number one. On that level. So many people are on that level. At least you're happy you've moved from 0 and you're number 1. A lot of people, they don't want to move from that level. They don't want to stay there. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let me tell you, the way the world is now, the way the world is now, is somebody like him, Joshua, you don't really need to go and set up your own business. Someone like Yomi, you don't need to go and set up your own business because you have a platform where nobody is stressing you. It's like me, for instance, now I'm in the mall. Do I need to go and build my mall? Do I need to go and build my mall? I don't need to. Do you know what it costs to build a mall? If I want to build a mall like these things that I want, do you know what it takes for me to build it? It costs a lot of money. Do I have the money? If you live here, for instance, say you want to go and set up you have to be able to do something attractive like this that will attract the kind of customer you're already dealing with here. True or false? They will not just live and follow you like that. If you're in a place where they are not stressing you, nobody is threatening your life, and you are making your money, all you just need to do, increase your customer base. Make all the money that you want to make. Until you get to a place where they say when the cup is full, if you are pouring water, what happens? It will overflow. It will get to that stage. Your business will just happen on you. It will just happen on you. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's what happened to me. At the first level, you can do anything, to make sure that you are getting the money. But when the money is coming, you discover that, no, it's about value. It's about purpose. Do you understand? Now you begin to add integrity to what you're doing. You begin to add punctuality to what you are doing. You begin to add seriousness. Now you are bringing in value. That people will see you. They don't just see your work alone. They are seeing somebody who has value. Somebody who has a purpose. Are you getting what I'm saying? That's the second stage. And that stage, that is when your bosses notice you. When your boss notices you, he may want to what? Give you an award. He will want to appreciate you. He can even tell you, leave this work that you are doing. I want to take you to a higher place. Do you understand? Because he's seeing what? Value. He's seeing somebody who is interested in the business. Somebody is not just interested in himself or herself alone. If they discover you don't have value, they will leave you to be on that same level that you are. You will make all the money. At that level, you will make money. Do you understand? It will leave you there. But when it comes to taking serious decisions, it will never involve you, or she will never involve you. Like I tell people in Lagos, I have a black book. I have a red book. I have a white book. I have a neutral book. Do you understand? Because I study people a lot. I observe people. I know people that are here because they want to earn money, they want to earn their commission. I also know people who are here, they don't just want to earn commission, they don't want to earn a salary. They are interested in the brand. They are interested in what the vision is all about. They are interested in transformation. They are interested in providing a convenient environment for customers. Do you understand? They are adding value to what we're doing here. Are you getting what I'm saying? That's the second level.